Users of Batman movies will find it difficult to find a new name as well as a new mascot. What if there were no sharks? The makers of shark movies will have to search for a new villain. Secondly, sharks have been around for more than 400 years. With no sharks, the natural food chain in the ocean might just completely collapse. Thirdly, with no sharks around to eat those fishes which eat algae-eating fishes, there will be a drastic decrease in algae-eating fishes. This will lead to an exponential increase in the amount of algae. This algae will cover the coral reefs, not allowing it to photosynthesize. This loss of habitat will lead to mass extinction. Fourthly, sea creatures which depend on sharks' nitrogen-rich food for nourishment will suffer. On the flip side, surfers as well as people with galleophobia, as in fear of sharks, will be one happy lot.
This garden ain't big enough for the both of us. Don't. Stories are no match for weeds.
Preventing weeds means fighting them. A lot of Americans who can never afford it. Animals disappear. Huh? Now, it would be impossible to imagine what it would look like if all animals disappeared. Secondly, more than 90% of the human population consumes meat. If all animals disappeared, they would have no choice but to turn vegetarian. Thirdly, livestock industry, meat industry, zoos, national parks employ millions of people. If all animals disappeared, they will have to look for new jobs. If all animals disappeared, owners would need to nurse their breed. Lastly, animals as well as humans have evolved over billions of years to become part of the delicate food chain. If all animals disappear, the entire food chain will collapse. What if there were no ants? Don't worry, I will grow legs and